Make money on autopilot. Top 5 passive income streams in 2025. Imagine waking up to money in your account without lifting a finger. In 2025, passive income isn't just a dream, it's a digital reality. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful passive income streams that are actually working right now. Whether you're a beginner or just tired of trading time for money, stick around, because number 3 could replace your full-time income. 1. Faceless YouTube automation. First up, we have YouTube automation. This is where you run a YouTube channel without showing your face or using your voice. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write scripts. 11 Labs or Play HT for realistic AI voiceovers. Pictory or InVideo for editing and visuals. Monetize via YouTube ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Example niches: luxury, motivation, tech reviews. Some faceless YouTube channels are making $2,000 to $10,000 per month. You just need consistency and the right niche. 2. Digital products. Next, digital products. This is the ultimate set it and forget it model. Sell ebooks, Notion templates, checklists, guides. Use Gumroad, Payhip, or etc. Use ChatGPT or Canva to create them in hours. Promote via TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest. I know creators who made $500 in their first week just selling planners or Instagram templates. 3. Print-on-demand stores. This is one of my personal favorites. Print-on-demand, POD. You create designs, and companies handle printing, shipping, and returns. Use platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or etc. plus Printify. Focus on trending niches, example memes, jobs, hobbies. Use Canva or Midjourney to make designs. Zero inventory, zero shipping. Once your designs are uploaded, they can sell forever. Some people earn $50 to $200 daily just from a few viral designs. 4. Affiliate marketing with AI. Affiliate marketing is still king in 2025, but now, you can supercharge it with AI. Use ChatGPT to write reviews or landing pages. Create blog posts, TikToks, or YouTube videos recommending tools. Promote AI tools, courses, or Amazon products. Use platforms like PartnerStack, Impact, DGStore24. You earn a commission whenever someone buys using your link. And with AI doing the heavy lifting, this becomes almost hands-off. 5. AI-powered investing bots. This one's for the risk takers. AI-powered investing or trading bots. Bots like Stoic, KRYLL, or 3 Commas help automate trading. Works with crypto, stocks, or forex. You set the strategy, the bot trades automatically. Passive income potential, but requires capital and risk management. It's not for everyone, but it's a true passive model if done responsibly. Finally, which of these passive income ideas are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. And if you want a full step-by-step guide on any of these, let me know. I'll make a full tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making video.